July is here, so it's yet another time for me to spend €50 on CS2 investments again, but before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what's currently going on for CS2. The Austin Major Finals just finished a few days ago with Team Vitality winning the Major once again. On the 3rd of July, they've then released a news update containing the Champion's autograph capsule and highlight souvenir packages. As for the near future, we can also expect the capsule sale to arrive anytime soon, but let's get more into detail regarding the update. The Champion's autograph capsule is more or less uninteresting for us since it has never contained any investing potential over the last few years. Regarding the highlight souvenir packages, we can't really tell right now if they give any notable boost to the package prices due to the 7-day sell ban. Nevertheless, it should be safe to say that they will be valued a little bit above the normal packages. Notable here is also that the highlight charms are detachable, so probably marketable on their own. All in all, I don't see too much investing potential released with this update. The future sale on the other hand should give you the opportunity to open Austin Major capsules with an ROI of over 100% within the first hour after the update. This could potentially make you some short-term profit if you sell right away after a week. Essentially, their ROIs will quadruple at the time the sale kicks in, but this won't last for long. Potentially safer and bigger short-term profits can be made if you are quick on the newest map rotation and weapon balance updates Valve normally releases in the time period shortly after a big major. This is done to ensure that the teams have enough time to adapt to these changes before the next big event comes up. Before we now get further into the video, let's take a quick look at today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by SkinsMonkey, a very easy to use automated CS2 trading site. Just pick the skin you want to get rid of and choose a new one to your desire. Click trade items and your brand new skin should be there in minutes. By using my code Lucas, you can even get up to $5 cashback on your first trade and a 5% deposit bonus on top of the 30% SkinsMonkey offers you for all deposits anyways. Even if you are not looking to trade right now, it's worth it to check out the freebies section where you have a daily, weekly and monthly try to get some cool new skins for your inventory. Link down below in the description. With this being said, let's take a look at the current numbers. The overall market cap has just reached a new all-time high again while easily pushing through the $5 billion mark for the second time in CS history. Over the last weeks, it has slowly but steadily climbed up again after the spike and quick downfall at the beginning of May. This newly earned growth should be way more sustainable than before, and I don't expect a quick pullback here again. All of this was achieved even though the player and case unboxing numbers are currently slightly down again for the first time in months. The player numbers are going down towards the 1 million player mark, and the case unboxing numbers are only sitting at 36 million right now after they pushed towards the 40 million in the latest past. These declines could be due to Valve banning case farming bots, but this is just speculation from my side. Additionally, the Steam Summer Sale released a few days ago, which normally comes with slight drops of especially cheaper play skin prices. If you are looking for a new loadout, you could keep an eye out for good deals right now. The Orb Atheros, for example, saw that mentioned drop but is already nearly up again at the time of making this video. For my first actual investment, I went for the cheaper rare case market. While also up quite significantly, I still see solid potential in moving forward since the general trend for all of the cases is moving into a more expensive territory. The exact case I went for today is the Danger Zone case. In my opinion, it has a slight edge over the Prisma cases right now since its direct knife competitor, the Horizon case, is fairly more expensive. Therefore, it doesn't have the same competition as the Prisma cases. In comparison to all of the other rare cases, it has also seen the least growth in price over the last 6 months, even though the potential and demand is surely there. Due to this, I bought 16 Danger Zone cases for €20. For my next investment, I went with an area that had been stagnant for the longest time but finally partly sees movement again since a few weeks. I'm talking about old boarded major stickers and operation stickers here. Due to a just lowering supply which is getting really low in some areas these days, they have such a solid base as investments. Today I took a closer look at the Operation Riptide stickers and the Riptide Surfshop stickers to be more precise. In my opinion, these are some of the most beautiful stickers for crafting to be found in CS2. The exact sticker I went with today is a Miami Battery Hollow due to its comparably cheap price, good application numbers and its past performance. Even though it has been going up since the beginning of the year, I still think it's a good long-term buy at its current price point. This is why I bought one Miami Battery Hollow for about €11. And lastly, for my final investment, I went with a more risky one by getting into an actively obtainable armory collection, the Graphic Design Collection. In my opinion, this and the Sport and Field Collection have the best opportunities to succeed long-term, given that they will eventually get removed at some point. The Sport and Field Collection is the by far most popular out of the 3 collections, and the Graphic Design Collection is the by far least obtained one. Since I already bought into the Sport and Field Collection in my last video, I now went with the other option and bought AD M249 Spectrogram for just under €20. I did this by placing a 24% Steam buy order since the skins are hard to come by for a better price on third-party marketplaces. And that brings up my invested money all the way up to €50. Thanks for watching, please leave a like and subscribe and tell me about your favorite investments down below in the comments. See you next time.